Dry sparkles are a universal decor that has many uses. It all depends on what design you want to get. Let's look at several options. We apply a thin layer of quick base to the entire surface of the nail and immediately pour out the sparkles. We wait 10 to 15 seconds for them to fix well. We shake off the excess sparkles and polymerize in the lamp for 2 minutes. After that, we remove the remains with a soft brush. You can leave this design or cover with a top coat for a more dazzling effect. To get another version of the shiny coating, you can simply mix the sparkles with the base, apply to the nail, dry in the lamp for 2 minutes, and cover with a top coat. Brocade glitter can not only be poured or mixed with materials, but also rubbed into the dispersion layer. It is enough to apply the desired shade of gel polish, polymerize, rub the glitter and cover with a top coat. And just look how the nail shimmers with different colors. You can also draw a pattern on the finished coating with gel paint and pour it with glitter. Wait 10 to 15 seconds for the decor to fix. Shake off the excess, polymerize in the lamp for 2 minutes. And of course, dry glitter opens up a lot of possibilities in modeling. It can be mixed, inlaid, poured. There are many options, and each of them gives a truly dazzling result.